Hey guys, it's Shannon. Happy New Year's Eve. So unfortunately, this is my last video of 2018, of course, since it's the last day of the year, but I am so excited for 2019. We have huge, and I'm talking huge projects coming up in the new year, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. So I did this last year and it was really fun to look back, so I wanted to do it again this year, and that was to bring you guys my top 5 videos from the year. So let's jump right into those top 5 videos of 2018, and after that, I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys my top favorite DIYs from 2018 as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me to take a look back on the best of 2018. I will link all of those videos down in the description box below if you'd like to go check those out. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up for me too. Make sure to subscribe and share this with your friends and family. We are so close to the 100,000 subscriber mark, and I have something fun planned for that. So the sooner we get there, the sooner I can share that with you. And I can't wait to share 2019 and all of my projects, DIYs, home decor, renovations, and crafts, hauls, so many wonderful things here on my channel, The Daily DIYer. I hope you all have a very happy new year, and I will see you all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!